Take full control of your Herschel thermostats from one device with our Herschel Smart Switches. The touchscreen control centre offers quick access to up to 100 Smart Life scenes, or use the 4-scene control to activate up to 4 scenes from one convenient device, with a beautiful finish that will look good in any household. So how do these smart switches work? They wirelessly operate with the Smart Life app to activate scenes. These are then used to wirelessly control your Herschel thermostats, giving you easy access to activate any scene you have created for any scenario, all in one central device. If you want to turn all your thermostats in the building on, simply tap the designated button on the control, and then this will wirelessly control your thermostats. Alternatively, you could turn all your thermostats off with one tap of a button. Going on holiday? Simply tap the holiday mode on your smart device and your thermostats will automatically be set to a set-back temperature of your choice until you return. Can't remember if you tapped the holiday mode before you left? Don't worry. With the Smart Life app, you can control your smart switches remotely from your phone or tablet, so you never have to heat an empty house while you are away. Need a boost on those colder days? You can create a boost scene to temporarily increase your heating, keeping you and your household feeling nice and warm no matter the time of year.